Chaitanya Priya from SAP. Today my use case is about intelligent loan syndication using blockchain, RPA and ML. Blockchain and distributed ledgers have a very bright future. It offers a very strong and unique value proposition to the banks looking to expand their global footprint. Since its inception a decade ago, blockchain has been one of the most hyped technologies in financial services. One of the major credit scenario is syndicate lending, where it deals with the corporate requirement massive capital for its investments to grow, and a group of banks come together to provide this funding at an agreed rate. So there are many solutions proposing loan syndication using this blockchain. But my solution is how where the blockchain is coupled with other platform tools like robotic process automation, machine learning, analytics, which strengthens the use case and becomes an intelligent loan syndication. So now let me go to the workflow of it. So we have the blockchains created for the multiple banks. So the main bank would be hosting the blockchain node, and as soon as a transaction is recorded, a block is created in the blockchain database. So we have a conversational AI where a customer would ping all the details for the loan, like loan details, rate of interest which is planning, which is requesting, and all his balance sheet. So the conversation AI helps in this, and we have the documentation information is extraction service which would read the entire data. So we have machine learning which would indicate whether the customer is default customer or not. So once the loan is sanctioned, we have an experience management where we send us a survey to the customer requesting how the experience was it and how fast was it. So we have many platforms combined like machine learning, analytics dashboard which indicates the status of the loan syndication mainly for the lead bank. So our use case strengthens because along with the blockchain we have an end to end solution for the loan syndication scenario. Thank you.